Lilies are known as the pure flower, created from the breast milk of Hera, Zeus's wife in Greek mythology. The Roman goddess of beauty, Venus, was so jealous of the white purity of the lily that she caused the pistil to grow from the flower's center. The first picture of a lily appeared in Crete around 1580 BC. These flowers became symbols of fertility for pagans and Christians. The Old Testament, the New Testament, and many other ancient books in many societies reference lilies. The flowers still represent abundance and purity in Greece, where brides wear crowns of lilies and wheat. Easter lilies are the best known lilies and are native to Japan. World War I soldiers such as Louis Houghton brought Easter lily bulbs home to share with other gardeners in 1919. Lilies grew in popularity quickly in the United States, where there are now 22 species. Thank you for listening and watching this, and have a blessed and beautiful day.